Hey guys, so we have our Capillus hats, laser caps for hair loss that we have incorporated into our supplements to go along with our hair transplant procedures. I like to use, there's actually different devices, different names. This is probably the most well-known device, along with another one. It's called iRestore. I recommend both of them. This is the one we have in our office. Um, Patients that are good candidates for this device usually are those that have already obvious thinning of the hair. Usually in my classification, those are tier 2 patients. The device is used every day for 6 minutes. Pretty straightforward. As you can see, it's just a hat. It has lasers inside. This is the RX version. They only sell it in doctors' offices. You cannot buy online. There are other devices a little bit less potent that you can buy online. This one is only as a in a retail medical office, but essentially it gets connected to a battery, which right now is charging actually. But it has a clip where you put in the back, and then you just put it on, and it's about 6 minutes. It turns off by itself, and what the lights will do, it's basically they continue to stimulate those follicles to retain or remain actually in the anagen and growing phase. And there's plenty of scientific studies. It looks gimmicky. I, in the beginning, thought this was something. It's just too gimmicky. When I started doing a lot more research, there's tons and tons and tons of studies to show these devices actually work. In about 6 to 12 weeks, the patients see significant improvements. We have the patients use the device after transplants, but also in patients that just have thinning and that are at a stage 1 or tier 2 stage, and along with our other supplements such as Nutrafol, our hair steam, lab topical medications, the shampoos, and minoxidil and finasteride topical, which we prescribe as part of our medical management for hair loss on androgenic alopecia. So I just wanted to showcase the Capillus. It's available in our office, and if you need more information, just DM us. I would be happy to provide it to you.